Do you know why it is wrong to dip your finger into your nose in public? Because it doesn't speak well of you. It's a bad habit that portrays you as a dirty person. Being beautiful or handsome doesn't determine that you have good habits. Good habits need to be learned. Most times, our habits tell the type of people we are, and they can help us make good or bad impressions on other people. This is why it is important to really work on our habits. In today's video, we will go through 5 good habits that you need to learn as soon as possible. So stick by as we run through the benefits of having these habits. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 5, create and be consistent with your morning ritual. Most times, the mood we carry throughout the day is determined by how we approach our morning. Some people wake up excited to start their day, while others like to ease into their day more gradually. However you choose to start your day, it's necessary to learn the habit of carrying out your morning rituals. It is one of the ways to ensure every day gets off to a great start. You may want to run, meditate, or enjoy your breakfast. Whatever you choose to do, stick by it. Number 4, eat healthily. Make eating a healthy diet your habit. Most people are fond of skipping breakfast because they are late for work or school. This is a bad habit that should stop. Eating healthy does better than we think, and it is necessary to be conscious of this. One of the benefits of eating healthy is that it helps our brain to perform at its peak. Another key benefit of eating healthy is that it lowers the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. Number 3, learn to exercise. Exercising is one great habit that is often underestimated. A lot of people wish for a great and sexy body, but they are not willing to pay the price for it. The key to overcoming this is to break the habit of procrastinating your exercise routine. Developing a good exercise routine is a habit that will increase both the quantity and quality of your life. Number 2, be grateful. One of the basic ways to have an easygoing life is to be grateful. Remember the 5 magic words: please excuse me, sorry, thank you, and pardon me. Learn to use these words easily and create a good habit from them. Most times, the things you are envious of are simply mirages. It is best to be grateful for what you have and what people do for you. Number 1, practice good hygiene. At the beginning of this video, I talked about how some people dip their fingers into their noses in public. Some won't even care that this may irritate the people standing close to them. This is a very bad habit. Why use your hands when you can use a clean handkerchief? Personal good hygiene starts from brushing your teeth twice a day and washing your hands regularly to paying attention to get rid of anything harmful to your health. First impressions are powerful and are mostly derived from the way a person looks. In conclusion, these 5 habits are important. Work on them. If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the habits listed in this video, please tell us in the comment section.